Hey guys, what is y'all's plans?
I don't know. We were actually, going to Kyle's Jewish party.
Yeah. Well, screw you, Dad. Nobody wants to hang out with a stupid Jew.
Hey, don't talk bad about Jewish people.
But still, you guys in your Jewish ways, I'm much better than you. One day I'm gonna get you, Kale. I'm going to get you one day. And nobody wants to be around your fat mom.
Dude, my mom's not fat.
Yes, she is. She's a humpback whale.
Dude, stop.
Well, nobody cares. Jeez, Eric, I don't think you should be picking on him like that. Shut up, Butters. You're just a sad, lonely boy who don't want to have any girlfriend.
Dude, now you made Butters feel bad.
Well, screw you guys. I'm going to...
Hey, Kyle, what time is that party tonight?
I don't... It's at, 7. Okay. My parents know. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna hang out here for a bit.
I'm sorry Carmen did that to you.
It's okay.
Cyrus! Oh! Who are you? It's me, Cyrus the bird. I love feet. Oh yeah. And all y'all is coming to my house.
Wait, no, we're not.
All y'all is coming to my basement.
Wait, your basement?
Yeah. Yeah. I love feet.
Wait, are you a pedophile?
No. But I want to protect you guys from the evil Roblox gods. And Callaway, because Callaway is working for the Roblox.
Wait, who's Callaway?
She's this evil, bad monster who picks on little kids.
Wait, I'm scared of this Callaway.
Still, you had to come with me. I know how to take her down.
Oh, okay. I'll come with you, fellas. Come with you.
Butters, we don't even know who this guy is.
Yeah, dude.
Okay. Oh. Where's your
house at?
It's in here, actually. It's in there. It's in that closet. In that closet. Come on. I'll grab you guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Cyrus. It's Cyrus. Help. I'm dead. What is this? It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's none of your business. So get yourselves inside the box. Get in the box. Hey guys. Dude, where are we? Yeah, where are we, dude? Kyle? We're here. Where's Butters? I don't really know. I don't really care. Oh, there's your little friend. Dude, what is this place? This is my lair. This is my little place where I keep all my hostages.
Hostages?
Yeah, and finally I caught you guys. I finally caught you, the famous boys on television, the famous foul-mouthed children.
Dude, let us go right now before we'll kick your ass.
Oh, why would I do that for? I already got Addie and Callaway's other children and Jordan's.
Still, let us go.
No, I'm actually protecting you from Callaway. Who is this Callaway? Oh. And you don't want to know. She did things to me.
Like what?
She did some unspeakable things to me.
Well, like what?
I'm not allowed to tell because you guys are children, are too young to understand and comprehend all of those things she did to me. But anyways, you're trapped here. You're never coming home. Haha. And I ate the key.
Well, it doesn't have a lid, so we can just crawl out.
That's why I'll be guarding.
Let's go, too. You want to break free?
Shut up, Wendy.
Don't hit a woman.
Are you even a woman yet? You haven't. I bet you never even reached puberty.
What?
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna go back to my friends. Guys. Where'd you guys go? Guys, oh my gosh, y'all left me again to go to Kyle's stupid Jewish party. Guys, where'd you go? Guys. I don't know where they went, so I had to find them. What's that? What's that house? What's that closet over there? You guys. What is this? It is, before you go, toilet spray. I just farted poo. It's weird. What's this thing? I hear something. Climb this. Hello? Cartman. Guys, what are you doing in there? Can you help us get out? Too late. I dropped myself in. Hey, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, why did you free us like that? I know that.
Hey, Eric Cartman.
What are you doing? Where were you?
Cyrus.
Dude, stop. We're not gonna kick your butt. Come here.
No.
Guess what? I play Roblox.
No, my weakness. I'm dying.
Come on. Where you go? Hey, are you gonna leave me? Come on, buddies. We ready for you to get away.
Dude. Guys, are we okay? Kenny said he's feeling sick. So you should go lay down, Kenny. Buddy.
Jeez, Eric, thanks for saving us. No problem. Anyways, you guys are my friends. Wait.
Dude, where's Kyle?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't?
Who cares about him? Right?
Oh, dude, he's still our friend. We have to go. Kyle.
I fell down.
Kyle, look behind you. Got you now. If you want him back, you gotta go. Delete Roblox. I don't even play Roblox. No, you see that, guys? Now we gotta go save him again.
In part 2.